What if I told you you could get more sales, better follow ups, zero missed sales, 24/7 support, and never worry about employees not completing their task ever again? So here's the deal. I built you two AI agents, one that sells and one that serves, and both runs 24/7, no breaks, no bad days, no turnover. Need to book appointments? Done. Answer product questions? Easy. Close leads while you sleep? Already settled. Upsell on the spot? Locked in. If you got a business that is making money but losing deals or wasting time on stuff that tech can do better, then you are the bottleneck. And I built to remove you from the equation by teaching you how to craft a perfect prompt for a voice agent. In this video, we will be covering customer service voice agents. We are specifically talking about retail AI. Now, why does the prompt matter in the first place? Because your AI is only as smart as the instructions you give it. If you put garbage in, you're going to get garbage out. Voice agent is not magic, it is a system. And just like your best human employee, it needs clear, specific, repeatable inputs. Otherwise, it fumbles on the call or worse, sounds like a robot. Before you put down even a single line of your prompt, you must know what kind of a voice agent you are creating. This determines the structure, flexibility, and even the language that you use. There are two types of voice agents: single prompt agents and multiple prompt agents. Single prompt agents are simple, fast, and easy to deploy. They're perfect for use cases like answering frequently asked questions, giving business hours, or handling reservation with limited logic. While talking about multiple prompt agents, you have a universal prompt that defines the voice agent's tone and the rules, and then separate prompts from different tasks: booking, reservations, product questions, handling escalations. Each gets its own prompt. Now, it's also important to understand the do's and don'ts as well. If you want the AI agent to switch between tasks or workflows, it's better to have multiple prompt agents activated. And if you have several workflows to finish, single prompt agents is never recommended. So this is the most important part while crafting a voice agent, which is the outcome that we want, the context that we give, the constraints that we set, and the personality we inject. Nail this for your agent sounds like a pro. Miss one, it sounds like a ChatGPT reading a bad review. So let's dive into the good stuff. If the prompt is bad, the AI agent is also going to be bad. This isn't about just telling you what to say. It is about the designing system so that your AI agent actually sounds human, does the job correct, and doesn't piss your customers off. We are not going to overcomplicate this. So I'm going to show you the exact framework that we use to make the AI agent sound sharp, clear, and capable even on the first call. And for that, we use what I call the actor framework. Why the actor framework? Because your agent is not just reading lines, it is playing a role. So let's go through it. All right. The first one is announcing the role, telling the AI agent what is going to be. For example, if you are going to name your voice agent Jamie, a customer service voice assistant for an imaginary company called Glow Skin Clinics, you will prompt it to help the callers schedule, reschedule, or cancel appointments, and so on and so forth. So basically, you are giving the agent the identity, what the AI agent is, and what is its purpose. Coming for the next one, which is clarifying the tone. You should set the vibe. What is it going to be? Friendly, calm, or assertive? The vibe is very critical. You do not want the voice agent to sound stiff or robotic. You want it as smooth and human as possible. Below are the examples as to how you are going to set your voice agent's tone. The next is tasking your voice agent. Be specific. What job it does and what jobs does it handle? This is where most people screw it up. If your AI agent doesn't know what it must do, it will freestyle, which is very bad. You must prompt your voice agent to what steps should be followed by what not and how. Coming for the next step is outlining the step, giving its step by step procedures, no guesswork. Now, you must provide the exact playbook, bullet points like onboarding a virtual assistant. The following example that I have given is a booking flow as to how the voice agent is going to book a time slot for a particular meeting. To simply put, a conversational flow is what order should it follow and what should come first. Is it going to be greeting? Is it going to be a questionnaire? Is it going to be customer request? And so on and so forth. And for the last one is responding with style. What is going to be your brand voice? What is the representation of your business? As an example, if the user asks, Can I book something for tomorrow? The AI agent replies, sure. What time works best for you tomorrow? Or if the user is going to ask, where are you located? The AI agent is going to reply with, we are on the Fifth Avenue across the Central Park. Would you like directions via text? And so on and so forth. Now, time for an example. Let's get right into the Retell AI platform. Now, this is the example of single prompt AI agent. We have in the here given the identity and the style guardrails, the task as to what the AI agent is supposed to be doing. And below, we have given the AI agent the tonality in which it should behave with the users. To get to an extra step, we have also given few examples as to how different callers are going to be. Are they going to be curious? Are they going to be concerned? Or are they going to be skeptical? And so on and so forth. And at the end, we should let the AI agent know how to end a call professionally. Since the topic is only about prompt engineering, we are not going to cover all of these things. We will be covering it in another video. And mind you, you also get to choose the welcome message as well. Is it the AI which is going to initiate the call, or is it the user who is going to initiate the call, depending on the circumstances and the use cases of the AI agent that you are going to build. Now, talking about the multiple prompt AI agents, this is how it is going to look like. First, you have a universal prompt as to what the AI agent is going to be. And again, the welcome message appears here. Beneath it, you will see the edit prompter button. And if you click on it, you will get to see the user interface like this. Each of node that you see are called states, and each state has its own prompt. For example, the intro state is going to be the starting state, which is going to introduce the AI agent itself to the users. Later on, the transition happen if the caller mentions tracking an order or has a question or is looking for a product or a gift suggestion and so on and so forth. For each of a transition, there is a separate node that we have already built in here. If the user requires answers, then the node is going to be transferred from intro state to answer question states. Or if the user requires some product recommendation, it is going to be directly transferred into this state. And this is how a customer service agent prompt is done right. It's fast, it's human, and it is scalable. In the next video, we are going to talk about how to prompt a sales agent.